Will 2026 be the last World Cup of legend? Let's build the ultimate dream.
First of all, we teleport the subject and take him to the middle of a dark and epic stadium. Now it's time for the magic of lighting. We'll create a royal halo around it by combining gold and neon colors. Finally, we add the 2026 Gold Cup. Finally, the final details and color correction with Camera Raw makes everything cinematic. Here's the final result. If you want to have the layered file of this poster for free, visit the Telegram channel. Like the video and comment on it.